All fixings must always be a minimum of 20 mm from the side and top edges of cedral planks. If a fixing is within 50 mm of the side edge, ensure that the hole is pre-drilled. Overlap the next plank by a minimum of 30 mm to hide the fixings. Continue fixing the planks in this way until just the top plank remains. Cut the top plank to size if required, then fix into place with the colour-coded cedral screw. When fixing the plank, a suitable free air gap must be left between the top edge of the cedral plank and the underside of the soffit.